Hey there, today I'm going to show you 10 easy LEGO building ideas. Most of them use very common pieces and are very easy to build. Alright, the first building idea is the outdoor basketball hoop. I really love the way it turned out, and all you had to do to build this thing is to grab a 2x3 plate, next a 1x2 plate, 1x2 jumper, 1x2 cheese loaf, a 1x1 clip piece, and a 1x2 tile. For the backboard, grab a 1x2 plate, two 1x1 brackets, stack up two plates and connect a jumper plate on top. Next, put the tiles on the sides, and finally take these two pieces and connect them to the rest of the build. The next building idea is this little grill that I've included in my last mock video. For you to build this, you'll need a 4-stud long bar piece, a 1x1 modified cylinder, 2 umbrella pieces, and a steering wheel on top. The third building idea is this very fancy and luxurious modern couch. It's really easy to recreate this at home with your pieces. It's a really simple build, and all you need to build this is to recreate the bottom portion, then the back side of the couch, and 2 tiles to hold up the couch. How many of you love coffee? Because I'm one of those persons that would literally wait half an hour for my latte in the drive-thru. Well, you can build one of these coffee machines by taking a 2x2 plate, a 1x2 grill, a 1x2 brick, 2 modified 1x bricks, then take some of these new useful modified studs, a 1x2 plate, and a 2x2 tile to finish it off. Now you finally have a use for all those coffee mugs that you've collected over time. But before I show you the next building idea, we need to talk about something exciting. Because this video is sponsored by my own shop. Yeah, it's kind of funny. Shoprbricks is now open, and currently I'm only selling digital instructions. Some instructions include a modular style McDonald's, a Porsche, and many more. If you're interested in supporting your boy, then scan this QR code and I'll see you there. The next idea is this cool looking chair that I can easily incorporate into vehicles. Start off by taking this piece, followed by 2 1x2 slopes and a modified brick. Place a round tile, plate, and modified tile. Take 2 1x2 jumper plates and a 1x2 plate, then connect them together. Later, add this to your build with another 1x1 plate. Next idea is this small candy machine. Take a round 2x2 plate, corner plate, modified round tile, a modified brick of a 1x1 corner panel, then take a 1x2 brick, a transparent brick, another 1x2 brick, a 2x2 tile, 2 studs, and a disc piece. Have you guys ever seen this modern mid-century potted plants? Well, you can easily recreate this into LEGO by getting this special piece, 3 LEGO plant pieces with a modified stud, and a small LEGO tire. Check out this LEGO microwave. You can build it using some modified bricks, brackets, and tiles. Here's how you can build a modern fish tank. Take 2 modified plates, a 2x2 plate in the middle, 4 glass panels, throw in some flowers as corals, and a fish, because this is a fish tank after all. Then take 2 tiles, a 2x4 plate, and another tile. And the final building idea is this simple washer. Grab a 2x3 plate, 2 plates, a corner brick, a 1x1 translucent brick, a modified brick with a plate, another brick. Recreate this simple build and place some more tiles and put this piece at the end. So this was 10 easy LEGO ideas. I hope you got inspired by some of them, and I'll see you in the next one.